let's get into pranayamas, because I really believe that the mind is more powerful than the body. And once you have control over your mind, you will be able to get over all your hurdles in your life. So today we start with the Pranakarshan Kriya. Okay, it's a very, very simple Kriya. Before we start with our pranayams, this is a Kriya that we do only for stillness, to bring focus to our breath and to make sure that we switch off. There is a lot that is happening around us, and I know it is very hard. It's easier said than done. We're losing families, we're losing friends, we're losing jobs. So at this point, whatever is the external pain, switch off and look within. Just take a deep breath and just concentrate on your breath, your nostrils. Close your eyes. Sit in Sukhasana, Vajrasana, sit on a chair. Really is immaterial. Right now, it's about focus on your breath. No heavy movements. Just be still. Spine should be straight. Just breathe. Feel the air going in through both your nostrils, exhaling from both your nostrils. No sudden movements. Do this twice. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. That's it. Softly and slowly open your eyes. And now we start with the pranayamas. There's a certain stillness and a certain calmness. We first do the Kapalbhati. This is a very, very important pranayama. Kapal means mind and Bhati means cleansing. So it's self-explanatory. It's the cleansing of your mind, your thoughts. I think it's much needed in these times. So first, we just exhale. Exhale all the negative thoughts. Inhale halfway. I'll show it to you once so we get the flow and then we continue. So we inhale, exhale, inhale slightly and it's like you're trying to take out something from your nostrils. Maybe an insect has gone in. Okay, so that is the exercise. So we do it now. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. So we've done around 50 to 60 right now. You can do 3 sets of these. If you can do more, the better. We do up to 200, but that's a more advanced kind of pranayama. When you start with 50. अगर उससे कम कर रहे हैं आप तो there is no problem even with that. So even if it's 25, आप सांस को उधर ही रोकिए और वापस शुरू करिए, ठीक है? There's no hard and fast rules with yoga as long as you're doing the technique properly. अगला वाला हम करेंगे उज्जयी. For a lot of people that are suffering with throat infections, thyroid, it also helps balance the parasympathetic nerves. This is a great pranayam to balance your parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. ठीक है? So let's try this. बहुत लोग अलग अलग तरीके से इस प्राणायाम को करते हैं. This is the one that I have learned and this is the one that I practice. So I will be teaching you that. अभी उज्जयी के लिए you need to take a deep breath in and when you exhale you have to hear the roar that happens in your throat. तो बिल्कुल शर्माइए मत. और अगर आपको खांसी आती है, ये this is a good sign. It's a sign that it is healing you. So take it in and it releases the right kind of hormones. A lot of people are suffering with thyroid, hypo, and I feel this is something that really helps a lot of women with this issue in the long run if practiced. So let's get into that. I'll show you one and then we continue. Take a deep breath in. Can you hear it? You have to feel the vibration in your throat. So take a deep breath in. You have to feel the vibration. Inhale, mouth closed. Now put your hands on the waist and we do the same thing. Inhale. Now you cross your arms and we take it up and down. Inhale and the hands go up. Inhale. So this is really amazing. It really energizes the way my vocal cords function and it's a really great pranayama. इसके बाद हम करेंगे चंद्र भेदना. ये बहुत ही important प्राणायाम है. It actually reduces body heat and it really calms your nerves. And this is a very, very simple pranayam, especially for people who suffer with high blood pressure. So I feel in this time and age, a lot of people are suffering with high blood pressure with the stresses and the external stressors around us. So इसे please अपनाइए. This is our Chandra Nadi and this is our Surya Nadi. So we inhale, closing our Surya Nadi. We inhale from the left. Close, exhale from the right. Now close your Surya Nadi, which is your right. Inhale. Close, exhale from the right. Once more. Inhale from the left. Close. Exhale from the right. Fourth time. Inhale from the left. Close. Exhale from the right. So this is a pranayama that you can do either 5 times. आज हमने 5 बारी किया. आप इसे 11 बार कर सकते हैं, 21 times कर सकते हैं. So this is a really good practice, and it must be, you must spread the word around. It's a very simple pranayama. अब हम करेंगे थोड़ा सा advanced pranayama, and this one is called the Savitri Pranayama. बहुत कम लोग इसे प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. Actually, I've also just about started learning it and started putting it into my daily practice. बहुत ही important pranayam है, because this is the kind of pranayam that actually makes you focus on your breath and makes you have control on it. It's a very simple exercise. You have to, the count is 8, 4, 8, 4. तो क्योंकि मैं आपके साथ इस प्राणायाम को प्रैक्टिस करूंगी, मेरे जो योगा टीचर है, जो पीछे से देखकर बहुत प्राउडली मुझे इनकरेज कर रहे हैं, वो आपको काउंट्स देंगे. आई विल शो इट टू यू वंस एंड वी विल डू 3 ऑफ द सावित्री प्राणायाम टुडे. ठीक है? तो इसके लिए कंट्रोल योर माइंड एंड योर ब्रेथ. एक्सहेल. Inhale for 8 counts. Slowly. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 8. Hold. This is the flow of it. राजी, अब आप loudly देंगे हमें sound. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Exhale. Take the breath slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold.